These are three tips you should know in case you are a Pinterest marketer or you're about to start Pinterest marketing in the year 2022. Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Shekib, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you three good tips every Pinterest marketer should know for the year 2022. Or if you are new to the Pinterest marketing space, these are three good tips you should know for the year 2022. And guys, I want you guys to stick with me to the very end of the video because I'm going to be showing you proofs, and I'm not just going to be giving you the tips. So I'm going to be giving you examples of how these proofs or how these tips works in real life. So guys, stick with me to the very end of the video. I'm going to see you in the first tip.
So guys, the very first tip I want you guys to know is that you should create more of idea pins than the normal video pins and the picture pins. So this very first one that has motivation empire, it's a video pin. This one with millennia next door, this is an idea pin. You can see the two there, and you can see this one that says my weekly blogging duties. This one is a normal picture pin. So I'm going to be showing you some things now, so like a proof of why I said you should create more of idea pins. So I want you guys to check this millennia next door. So from this thing you can see that she has created, or this account has created 7,000 pins, and it has 1.8 million views. And what you see in its created section is idea pins. All these are idea pins, all these are idea pins. So I'm going to be showing you other profiles also. So you can see this one also. So it's loading now. Salty Lake. Okay, so now she has a shop, but this is where we are going. You can see she has 9k followers and 2.5 million views. We're going to be checking her saved now. So to check the number of pins she has created in total, she has 19,000 plus pins that she has saved, and the ones she create, including with the ones she created. So we are going to be checking all what she has created. You can see all these are idea pins, all these are idea pins, most of them are idea pins. So all of them literally are idea pins. I'm going to be showing you others also. So let's check any other one. Now you can see this also. So you can see that this also, it has 1.3 million views, monthly views. Now you can see it has only 112 pins, and you can see the number of views. It has 1.3 million views. So you can see all of these. So all these are idea pins, all these are idea pins. So now we're going to be checking some people that they mainly based on let's say picture pins. So like this, now we're going to be checking this. So now you can see she has 62k followers. So let's go. She has 213k monthly views. So from this you can see she posts mostly picture pins. Now let's go to her saved this thing. So you can see she has more than 52,000 pins saved already, and what she still has is just 213k monthly views. So guys, this is why I said Pinterest pushes more of idea pins to its user than the normal picture pins and video pins. So guys, this is the second tip I want you guys to know, and you can see it in this site, trends.pinterest.com. that is it up above. And guys, this site is created by Pinterest, and it helps marketers to understand or know the trends that is working in their markets. So let's say you are in the hairstyling market. You can see, so it's telling us that medium length hairstyles is the one that is trending now in that market, and it shows us the popular pins that is ranking the highest on that market or on that trend. So guys, you can see it has the analytic here. So in case you want to check the analytics, or let's say it's a trend you are probably thinking of getting into, so it's going to be showing you the analytics, the search over time. And also guys, you can see there's a lot here. And one thing I also like about this is that you can also select the countries you want to target. Let's say you are targeting UK, so it's going to be showing you trends that is working in UK, popular trends that is working in UK. And you can see in UK it has suns and moon tattoos, love hypothesis. So these are trends that is working in UK currently. So you can see this is it. Now another thing I want you guys to check out is also okay, so this is the Pinterest analytic. So I searched this fitness here. So I just searched fitness here, so it showed me the search over time. So this is the you can see searches over time. So this is the graph of the people searching this fitness over time, and it shows me related tags. So you can see fitness, body, workouts, and fitness inspiration. These tags will help you, should in case you are not mainly going to be focusing on fitness, but you are thinking of working around that niche. So it can show you that these tags works out well, or these tags can also help you out. And just like I said, this is the popular pins that is going to be showing to you, so you can check it either to model it or to actually create something like that, or something better than that. Now I want you also to check Pinterest predict. So this Pinterest predict, so this is a site that predicts the pins. This is mainly produced by Pinterest, so it predicts the pins that Pinterest believes its community will be mostly engaging in the year. So you can see these are things like curve appeal, you can see dope, main dressing, night moves. So should in case you are a new Pinterest marketer and you have no ideas on the pins you should go into, or the trends you should the market you are supposed to enter into, so I'll advise you to go to pin advice, sorry, pin picked, so as to get an idea of the category that you're going to be entering into. So there's a lot here, you can see that's check yourself, so it has a lot, that's a lot here, so it's going to help you out.
So guys, there's no better way to end this tip section than to give you the demographics and the overview of Pinterest. And what I mean by demographics is I'll be answering questions like, who is Pinterest for? Is it mostly for males or mostly for females? Is it for teens? Is it for youth? Is it for older people like 60 to 65 years and the likes of 65 plus? So I'm going to be answering such questions, and I'm also going to be giving you overviews like the type of topic or trends you should follow. What I mean is that topics like motivational quotes, is it the one that is moving, or is it the one you should go for in Pinterest marketing in case you are new to this space?
So guys, as for the overview and the demographics of Pinterest.com, we'll be using this site called SimilarWeb to check the overview and also the demographics of this site. And from here we can see that Pinterest has a monthly visit of at least 945 million visitors per month. And also guys, I want you guys to check the countries they are ranking in. You can see the top countries they are ranking in is number one USA, the second being Brazil, the third which is India, the fourth is Argentina, the fifth is Colombia. And guys, these are the top 5 countries in which Pinterest are ranking on. So should in case you are going to enter a market, that means you should enter a market targeting this top 5 audience, because these are the top 5 people, or the top 5 countries that Pinterest has its audience largely on. So also guys, you can see the age distribution of people or audiences or visitors on Pinterest. You can see that 18 to 24 years are 27.47%, and it shows us that the highest category of people here are from 25 to 34 years. And so if you should in case you are having a market, or you are in a market that has a low population like the 55 to 64 years, so you should know how to adjust that, or this should give you an insight that you are going to be facing the lesser part of the Pinterest audience. And also guys, I'm going to be showing the gender distribution now. You see Pinterest has 54% female and 45% male. And guys, I would truly tell you this, that the females are mostly active than the males on Pinterest. So guys, you should mostly focus your content on females. And these are you can see this in some creators. You see them adding, using women as their pin. And guys, so I'm also going to be showing you some topics you can see they are interested online. But guys, for the topics that to track on Pinterest, I'll just advise you to go to Pinterest predicts, or you should go to Pinterest trends. So these are those sites will give you a full overview of the topics that are trending on Pinterest. So
Now guys, in case you gain anything from this, smash the like button, drop a comment down below, and also guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm going to see you in the next video.